Hello friends and welcome to Unacademy. So I have an interesting news to share with all of you. You know kya hai wo news? And that is that I am coming live on Unacademy. Not one, not two, not three, 4 days. Yes. So the dates would be 17th, 18th, 24th and 25th of April. So the question arises, ये session होगा किसके लिए? So अगर आप student है from 6 to 12, if you are taking board exams this year or in the coming years, तो ये session होने वाला है आपके लिए बहुत ही important. Not only this, ये session होने वाला है for all the parents out there also. So save the date, 17th, 18th, 24th and 25th. I guarantee you that these sessions will be power-packed sessions with a lot of interesting information in them. So what are we waiting for? I'll leave the link in the description box below to register yourself for the session. So don't waste your time, just register right away. I'll see you there on 17th, 18th and 24th and 25th of April. Bye-bye.